What a miraculous device. I'm really getting the hang of this. I do believe we are destined to be soul mates.
Hit me one time. Hit me twice. Oh! Ah! Oh!
That's rather nice.
Oil and grime, poison sludge, diesel clouds and noxious muck. Slime beneath me, slime up above. Ooh, you love my toxic love. I see the world and all the creatures in it. I suck 'em dry and spit 'em out like spinach. 'Cause greedy human beings will always lend a hand with the destruction of this worthless jungle land. And what a beautiful machine they have provided to slice a path of doom with my sweet breath to guide it. Filthy ground, acid rain, pouring down like egg chow mein. Slime beneath me, slime up above. Ooh, you love my toxic love.
Krista! Krista!
Hey!
Any sign of her?
Ah, let's go back. She's probably just back home having dinner.
Yeah, she's somebody else's dinner.
She's fine. Now keep looking.
We're looking.
Okay,
we're looking.
yeah, we're looking.
Yeah,
don't
we're
worry.
looking.
Huh?
We're
Yeah,
looking.
look at us, look.
Yeah,
We're looking.
What are we looking for?
Oh,
look.
Oh, is that what we're looking for? Wow.
This is so incredible.
What are the trees like where you live?
Not like this. I live in a city.
City?
Yeah. Buildings, traffic, roads, lights, a city. Most humans live in cities. There's not many trees there.
But how can you live without trees?
Easy.
But trees give life. They make the clouds, the rain, the air.
Oh, we've got air.
Yeah, if you don't mind getting all your minerals in one breath.
Don't you miss talking to the forest?
Can't say I've actually talked with a forest before.
I do all the time.
What does it say?
Well, listen.
It's raining like magic, it's falling like starlight, it's raining like magic, it's raining life. The forest is breathing and ferns are rejoicing, the trees are all singing, hey, it's raining life.
So what about you, Krista? I mean, what do fairies do anyway?
Do?
Yeah, I mean, do you have jobs or anything?
What's a job?
Guess that answers that question. Look, what do you do all day?
Help things grow.
Yeah, that sounds cool.
No, usually it's warm.
No, cool means hot.
What?
Yeah, You know, bodacious, bad, tubular,
Awesome use of the language, dude.
as in, you are one bodacious babe.
And that's good. I mean, cool.
Yeah. We're communicating now.
Tubular.